garnered by each candidate for the office of Member, House of Representatives. That after such canvass, it appears that the Mogan Mauricio independent candidate garnered 45,767 votes in the office of Member, House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected Member, House of Representatives of Benguet, City of Baguio, Long Legislative District, Province of Benguet. In witness whereof, we have fixed our signature and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Baguio, Province of Benguet, this May 13, 2025, 12:20:36 a.m. Congratulations! Next, we read the certificate of canvass of votes and proclamation of winning candidate for mayor. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 232 clustered precincts for the candidates therein for mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precincts garnered by each candidate for the office of mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that